in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Guadalupe County, northeastern Wilson County, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over La Vernia, or 13 miles northwest of Stockdale, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. Hedwig, La Vernia, and New Berlin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Severe thunderstorm.